gold sock. Yan. Hello guys, nandito tayo sa sa area ng ng mga gold. So sok tawag nila dito, parang sok ata. So yun yung mosque nila, mosque. Yan.
We will wait. Just.
You can see guys. I don't know. So, ito niya kita ninyo guys. Tingnan ninyo.
Hi, how are you, man? We have 18 cats. You want Dubai chocolate? You want to buy some Dubai chocolate?
So, dito ko daw makabili ng mga golds. Yeah. So, well, we got that. Goes here. So, this is the gold sock. Yes. So, dito ka makabili ng mga gold. Hello guys. Tingnan yung mga gold guys. Guys, ito yung mga gold Ito yung mga gold. Yan. So ito yung area na sinasabi nila gold sock. Ayan mga bracelet guys puro gold yan Ano ka din? So gold. Yeah. Ayan nyo guys. Yan, puro yan 24 carats gold. Yan, kita nyo. Grabe The real gold guys. This is really real gold. Yeah. I like this bracelet. I like this one. Bracelet. Tingnan nyo guys Grabe. Grabe yung gold nila guys. Grabe talaga Yan, puro 24 carats gold. Yan. Hello guys, tingnan nyo guys oh. Yan, puro gold yan. So gusto nyo mag ano, yung bili ng dress na gold. Grabe oh. Grabe guys. Look at that, the arms. Yan. Oh, may bra. Gusto nyo ng bra? Yan oh. Grabe guys oh. Look at this. Yan oh, tingnan nyo guys. Hindi yan artificial gold guys ha. This is really 22 karat gold. Look at them. Look at that. 24 karat gold. Wow. You can see. Wow. Ito guys, another gold. Look at them. Yan. Yan, puro gold oh. Ang lalaki guys. Yan oh, tingnan niyo yan oh. Ang lalaki oh, my gosh. Yan. Yan guys oh, tingnan niyo guys. Mga gold. Yung isuot-suot niyo. Look, you want a dress? Gold. Oh my goodness. Tingnan niyo yan dito guys oh. Maganda oh. Yan. Yan. Ganito sila dito. Grabe yung gold nila oh. Yan. Tapos ito naman. Yan o, mga kwentas. Tingnan nyo. Guys. Grabe. Tingnan nyo guys. Grabe o. It seems like you don't believe that all gold. Isn't it proper gold? Ayan guys. Ang ganda oh. So, lahat nandito guys, na shop, puro gold. Tingnan nyo oh. So, wow. This is a gold sock guys. See that one? You see guys, this is the ordinary suburb of Dubai. Karamihan dito guys, puro gold shop. Yan. Gold shops.